Hello, Dr. Rebello. Hope you're doing well today. My name is Michael Lopez, and I am the feed student of the group. And due to my employment off in Tampa, I will be presenting my portion of the presentation through a video. I will be discussing the importance and our findings with the work breakdown structure. As we know, the WBS provides our foundation for defining and organizing the work to properly execute the project objectives. Essentially, the WBS was our hierarchy of project tasks and needs. It allowed us to split the project into individual tasks, thus defining the total project scope. By defining the tasks, it was important to the project manager. It allowed them to oversee them more effectively, as they must be measurable and independent with clearly defined limits. It also helped us to assign responsibilities, resource allocation, and project monitoring. Due to this, we were allowed to have more efficient cost, risk, and estimating working from the smaller tasks to the larger tasks. Because the WBS tasks are measurable, the project management can assign specific costs to each task, thus limiting our budget. The WBS lets project managers distribute the project budget into defined packages linked to these tasks and work its way up. As far as scheduling, it is important as it allows us to track progress in the schedule. Because they have clearly defined limits, the management can determine how advanced the project is by checking into which of the tasks have been finished and which need to be completed. As we move on into the next slide, we see here the initial stages of our WBS. As we can see, it is only a second level structure. We start from the top, which is of course our company, and we further move down to the basic fundamentals, which were conception, planning, shooting, post-production, and closeout. Upon further expanding these tasks, we move into the final stage of our WBS as required, which was a third level. As we can see, the tasks have been assigned to each second level, thus further breaking down our project into a smaller, more accomplishable tasks. From our findings of the WBS, we have seen that it was very important to our project as it allowed us to better mitigate risks, allow for more efficient cost estimating, and so forth. Thank you. I will now pass off the rest of the presentation